Across the internet, billions of dollars move every month through one powerful system: affiliate marketing. It's the business model that lets ordinary people earn income without owning a product or warehouse. And in 2025, it's easier than ever to start. Affiliate marketing is simple. You recommend a product, someone buys through your link, and you get paid. You're the bridge between brands and buyers, earning a slice of every sale. You share a unique tracking link. When someone clicks it and purchases, your affiliate dashboard records a commission. Some programs pay instantly, others monthly, and all trackable and transparent. Not all programs are equal. Choose trusted networks, digital products with real value, or recurring subscriptions that pay every month. The smartest affiliates sell what they use. Traffic is everything. Use a blog, YouTube channel, or social page, anywhere people trust your recommendations. The more value you give, the more clicks you earn. Start free. Canva for design, WordPress for blogs, Google Analytics for data, Bitly for tracking links. Focus on clarity before complexity. Let's keep it real. If a product pays $10 per sale, 100 sales a month earns you $1,000. That's 3 to 4 sales a day, achievable with steady traffic and honest content. Avoid spam, false promises, or chasing trends. Build trust, analyze your results, and focus on helping, not selling. Once your first link earns money, multiply it. Add an email list, promote related offers, or reinvest in small ad campaigns. Growth comes from consistency, not virality. Affiliate marketing is digital partnership, where knowledge meets opportunity. With patience and practice, $1,000 a month can be your first milestone, not your limit. This is Auster Entrepreneur, guiding you to build wealth, learn smart, and create freedom. Disclaimer: for educational purposes only. Do your own research before investing or promoting any program.